Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.